All right, good morning. It is February 15th, 2021. It is Monday. What a great weekend. It was Valentine's weekend, and yeah, we were really busy, huh, honey? Yeah, we did a lot of stuff this weekend, so it was good. I had, wow, just a great experience this weekend, and I will tell you all about it. Pretty awesome. But let's look at some weather for today. Actually, today, what is it? Today is February 15th. I already said it. Did I already say it? Oh, yeah, I did. I'm just waking up. I need coffee. Hold on.
More coffee.
I don't even know what I was talking about right now. But anyways, I'll start over. February 15th, 2021, and it's vlog 30. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm in the 3 zeros. Trucking along. Long way to go still, but hey, it's going to be pretty awesome. We got Figgy visiting us this morning. Hi, Figgy. Figgy. What's up, Babas? Hi. What are you doing? This is her little spot. She likes her little spot. What's up? What's up? She's trying to make it her spot. Her and Kitan were fighting this morning, so it's pretty funny. What's up, mamas? She just wants to be in it. She knows. She's a movie star. But anyways, yeah, it was just a great weekend. And let's look at some weather here. Weather. Where is the Daniel Cam? iPhone, not that one. iPhone. Boom. Wow, 57 degrees. Oh, look at that. Thursday is going to be, there's a 70. Is it going to be warming up? I don't know.
Monday and Tuesday next week are 72.
That's Monday and
We're
Tuesday.
out of control.
We're totally out of
Look
control.
at this little muffin behind you.
I know, she's chilling. There she is. Hi. Hi, Figgy. Hi, Figgy.
She's holding on for dear life.
That's the total kitty spot. So that's the weather for today. But awesome. Actually, let's see what happened. Friday. I remember Friday I had a late vlog because I had a bunch of stuff to do. Was it that day? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's when I got my crown. Oh god, no wonder this is a long weekend because I had my crown. Actually, my mouth feels a little bit better now. It's weird when you get like your teeth and especially fillings and then this crown. It just felt like my mouth was just uneven, and then I was trying to chew, and yeah. Actually, today I can't wait to eat breakfast. I want to see how my mouth is because I don't feel it anymore. Yeah, I got a new mouth. Oh my god. You don't know how good you have it until you don't have something. And then you're like, dang. Yeah, I think because I did a late vlog that day, and so I did everything. But actually, we had leftover olives. I didn't eat much because my mouth was hurting that day. Actually, I think I ate one sandwich the whole day. The day was crazy. Because my mouth was hurting. Learned how to play a new song. That was pretty cool. I did Have You Seen the Rain by CCR. So actually one of my Dean from my Ook social, he mentioned that one and I tried it and I was like, yeah, I like it. And then Lily came over to visit and she spent the night with Kaylee. That's our other daughter. It's always good to see her. She's telling us her UCLA. She's a awesome UCLA student. And then February 13th, 2021 on Saturday. I have a lot of stuff written here. It's pretty crazy. Got up at 9 a.m. Played ukulele. Actually, on Friday, I did my 100-day song. It was day 13, and I did like a tech review of my stuff, or just my gear that I use to make the videos. I think a lot of people like to know about that because I see people like they want to do it, but they just don't know how to get themselves out there, and that's one of the big things is getting your recording, getting the audio okay, and then posting on the website. There's all these little things that you have to learn. It's so crazy. Like people think like you just have to do it. Like, yeah, you can just put videos on. It's easy. It's not. Not if you want to do it right. It's crazy. Um, let's see. I played actually on Saturday. I played ukulele in the morning. That was pretty great. And then got ready for Saturday show. That's right. Because we had a handpan show this weekend with Dave. Actually, the Saturday show this weekend was really good. It just keeps getting better and better because we have like all our gear good. And then when we did the live show, it just ran without any hitches. It was really good. And Dave looked good. The sound looked good. So everything's working really nice. It's going to be upgraded though soon. We're going to have better visuals and probably better audio, I would say. Let's see. Oh, then we did a total Saturday shopping. Bed Bath & Beyond. We tried to get to Home Depot, but that didn't work out. But we did a Bed Bath & Beyond and got some new sheets with Carrie. That was fun shopping with Carrie. Because we got a new bed, so we needed some sheets, and we're all...
Dangerous over there.
No, it is. Bed Bath & Beyond is dangerous. You're like, wow, look at this little gadget. That might help us.
I definitely need that.
Yeah, I definitely need that. Like you see things, you're like, whoa, that looks kind of cool. Pretty funny. But that Bed Bath & Beyond, and then we went to Target for food, of course. And then, let's see, Carrie cleaned out her closet.
Oh my god.
That was awesome.
That's epic.
She loves to do things like just straight off, like, I'm doing this. Uh-oh. Did you see that? Kiton was good. Kiton is in fighting mode this morning. He wants to tear up Figgy right now, and she's getting chased. So she's like hiding right here. Kiton, you want to fight? He wants to fight. It's kind of crazy. And yeah, Carrie loves to just do things out of the blue, and so she like, what was I doing? And then it came out and
Doing your ukulele song.
oh, I was doing my ukulele song, which was "Don't Look Back in Anger" yesterday, which is day 14. And then I came out, and then there was all the stuff was in the hallway. I was like, "What the heck is happening?" And she was cleaning her closet, but she got it done. It was awesome, and her closet looks so beautiful. Good job, baby.
Thanks.
It
gives you anxiety.
Oh yeah, it's only been that way for a couple weeks, right?
Yeah.
Then we had we haven't made hamburgers with real meat in a while, or just burger meat in a while. So we had hamburgers. We usually use turkey meat. It's so funny, but they were out of turkey meat, so we had hamburger. But that was good. Hamburger, mashed potatoes, and spinach. Just simple. Simple foods are really nice. And then we had nice new sheets to sleep in. Woo! Our bed's getting so comfortable. It's so nice. That makes such a huge difference. You look forward to going to bed. It's kind of cool. So I like that. New beds, new sheets, pillows. Wow. We are in a whole new world now. Then Sunday, V-Day. V-Day. It was funny because me and Carrie were talking about it. We don't buy each other gifts. Actually, I think we just bought ourselves gifts the other day. New sheets for Valentine's Day. Why not? And actually, we did get a new bed, so that's probably it. And then I did order Carrie some new headphones, so they're coming today. That's pretty awesome. Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
You're pretty.
Yes. And then, yeah, but Sunday we got up a little bit late, 10. We try to, like, Sundays, it's like a chill day. We do a lot, so we need a day of rest.
I don't know what you're talking about. I went for.
Oh, well, Carrie went for a run, but we're doing, it's just chill stuff. We're not, like, planning shit for that day. And then Carrie got ready, so I played her ukulele while she was getting. I thought that was nice. Wasn't that nice?
That was.
It was nice, right? So I slowed Wake up. I had leftover burger. We had burger and eggs for morning. Played music. Well, yeah, that's what I said. And then I was a computer zombie for a few. Did some online shopping on Amazon. That's always nice. And then waited for Kaylee to come home so we can sing, because she was like, yeah, I'm going to sing. So I wasn't going to. She goes, I'll sing for you on a video. And I was like, heck yeah. You know, I don't know. For you people with kids, it's sometimes hard to. Well, she's not a kid anymore. She's 18. But you know, that's even worse, trying to get somebody on film to sing with you. It's already hard for me to get Kaylee to sing with me. Actually, I don't even ask her. It's only every once in a while she'll get like spunky and go, yeah, I'll sing with you. But I asked her the other day, like, hey, because I knew she had some time for Valentine's between her boyfriend. Her boyfriend had to work. So it was lucky for me because she was home. And I was like, let's sing. I want to get you on video. And we did. Oh, my God. It was amazing. It was just amazing. One of the best Valentine's ever, to have your daughter sing with you. Like, when I first started playing ukulele, I think I always thought that. I was like, man, I can't wait to get, hopefully I can get good enough so will want to sing with me. especially like your daughter, or you know, your honey Carrie. She sings with me all the time. I haven't got her on camera yet. She's too shy, but well, hopefully I got 100 days to do it. Actually, I have 85 days more to do it. I think she'll get on a song with me. That'd be pretty cool. But it was awesome. You know, just to have, yeah, your daughter sing with you. It was amazing. We sang before, but to get it captured on a video, because that's kind of, it's a scary thing, especially for anybody. And she did it, and I was like, oh my God, this is awesome. And yeah, the cool thing is I'll have it forever. Watched it this morning. It just makes me happy. It just makes me so happy. It's so cool. But yeah, that was like the highlight of the weekend. Spending time with both my loved ones, Carrie and Kaylee, at the same time, and then having Carrie sing a song. It was just wow. It's the best Valentine's ever. Couldn't ask for anything more. It's pretty rad. But yeah, that's what I wrote here. Best thing ever. Drop the mic. I could stop the 100-day right now and I'll be happy. But we must continue on. Life goes on. You have good and bad, but we just keep rolling, right? Right, Carrie? Yep. We just keep rolling. Just keep strumming. Just keep swimming. Just keep singing. Just keep doing it. What did Dave say the other day?
Oh, yeah, his life advice.
Life advice was just get started, or
Just get started.
or something like that. Something like that. That was a good one. I was like, yeah. We're having good ones. We're in the zone, man. Like we're totally, like, I think DII is totally in the zone. We're in our like element right now. And the crazy part is just starting, and I'm excited because yeah, this year is going to be cool. Really cool. Other than that, I don't know, it's Monday. What do we got this week, baby? A lot of work. Working. I got a list. I'm already behind. And what else is exciting is happening this week? Oh, this is ukulele week, so I have, hopefully, let me make sure I don't have a thing tomorrow. Oh no, there's my calendar. Next week is Tuesday, so I have Ook socials all this week, Wednesday and Saturday. Oh my God, I might have a guest. I'll see. I need to make a call this morning and see if I can go. And then, what else do we got? Just work. I gotta do my song, and then get ready. But yeah, I think that's it for today. What did I learn this weekend? What did I learn? Dun, dun, dun. I learned that, man, well, playing ukulele every day in the beginning, just like I said, I hoped one day that I would get good enough that people will sing with me and play, and I can play for them well. And I learned just as long as you keep going, man, eventually it'll happen. It's been almost 5 years now. I think this is my fifth year in ukulele. Huh? How many years has it been playing? I think it's like 4.5 or 5. Just going into my 5. I keep looking back. It's like been a while. But I just learned that you just keep going, and yeah, just put your head down. Stuff happens, man. It's crazy. And that was a really, really great moment this weekend. I'm just in awe. Just blessed that way that stuff like that. Good things happen to you. It's pretty cool. I'm excited. I'm excited for this year. Excited for the future. My mic just went out and I didn't realize it. Oh my god.
Dado.
I don't know how long my mic was out, you guys. I'm so sorry. And I've been talking for that whole time. Hopefully it just went out, but I'm going to end here then. I got to check the video. So hopefully it's all right. Sorry about the audio if it was bad. And I will, it's February 15th, Monday, vlog 30. And I am done. Like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Talk to you soon.